Tyler Police Department. Reason for the stop today is your registration is way expired according to my records.
Yeah, my son just gifted me this car.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the plates and all that stuff is coming in.
Okay. Do you have anything, like any of the documentation from that, as well as your license and insurance?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. You get your license with you?
Oh, yeah.
Particular reason that you're drinking while you're driving?
Huh?
Is there a particular reason that you're drinking while you're driving?
I went to watch the Duke game, but that's it.
Okay. You mind handing me that can? Thank you, sir. Alright, how much have you had to drink?
I had a couple beers at the bar.
At the bar? What bar are you coming from?
Exchange.
Exchange? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Alright, sir. Give me just a moment, okay? Oh, there's not even a sticker.
No. Nothing on there. I got the registration thing.
Okay. Well, that's just the insurance card, isn't it?
No, I got both of them.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Alright, that's just showing me the insurance and the insurance binder.
I don't listen. My son gifted me the car.
I hear you. I understand that piece. I'm just curious. Do you have any? You don't have any registration documents for it, though?
No, they're sending all that out.
All right, sir.
Hold on. I'm gonna show you.
I'm gonna get him out and check his eyes first. He had the open container in there, and he said he was watching a game and left the bar a little bit ago. Had a couple beers there. I'm not really getting a whole lot from him. Like, I'm not getting much odor. But he was smoking right before. He like flicked a cigarette, but he was driving super slow. He's expired from September of 21. And yeah, he has current insurance, but anyhow.
Is he?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
All right, sir. Do you mind turning off the car and stepping out for me? All right, sir. So here's the deal. You admitted to me that you were drinking already, okay?
Yes.
And I want to make sure that you're okay. Would you mind if I did a test of your eyes?
That's fine.
Okay. First thing I need you to go ahead and do is go ahead and put your feet together for me.
Okay.
Okay. And just keep your hands down to your side for me.
Okay.
Do you have any prior head trauma?
No.
Diabetes?
No.
Hypoglycemia?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any balance problems?
No.
Okay.
Well, my knee is
Just your knee?
from playing sports.
Okay. Okay. Any conditions with your eyes? Do you wear contacts?
No.
Glasses?
No.
Any of that kind of stuff? No?
No.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to test your eyes. And
Okay.
keep your hands to your side for me. During this test, what I need you to do is keep your hands to your side, keep your feet together, and keep your head straight. And what I'm
Okay.
asking you to do is just follow the tip of my pen from side to side without moving your head.
Yes,
Do
sir.
you have any questions about that?
No.
All right. You see it okay?
Yes.
All right. You mind tilting your hat up for me? Perfect. Just like that. That works too. All right. Keep your hands to your side.
Okay.
All right. Follow the pin, okay?
I'm following.
You're not. Your eyes aren't moving, no.
What?
You got to move your eyes to follow the pin.
I'm following the pin.
Following the pin.
Yep.
Don't move your head.
All right.
Don't move your head. Just follow with your eyes. All right, sir. So I'm seeing some. How many beers did you have to drink?
2.
How long ago?
Well, I had the last beer probably about 30 minutes ago.
About 30 minutes ago. And where were you watching the game and drinking at?
The Exchange.
The Exchange?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So based off of what I'm seeing, I'd like to do a couple more tests just to confirm what I'm seeing isn't just you. Is that something that you'd be willing to do for me?
Well, I guess. I mean, whatever you need me to do, sir.
All right, sir. So what I'm going to do is have you stand. I'm going to have you stand right there. I'll stand right here, okay?
All right.
For this test, the first thing that I need you to do is imagine a line from 0 to infinity.
Got it.
Okay? I want you to go ahead and put your left foot on that line. Okay? Then I want you to go ahead and put your right foot in front of it, heel to toe, just like this.
Okay.
Okay? Go ahead and take your hands out of your pockets for me. Keep your hands down to your side for me.
Okay.
Now I want you to stay in this position while I explain the remainder of the test to you,
Yes,
and
sir.
do not begin the test until I've finished my instructions.
Okay.
Do you have any questions about that?
No, sir.
Okay. So from this position, what I'm going to ask you to do is take a series of 9 heel-to-toe steps. Go ahead and step back into that position for me. Heel to toe. Perfect. From that position, I'm going to ask you to take a series of 9 heel-to-toe steps for me down that imaginary line.
Okay.
When you reach your 9th step, I'm going to ask you to take a series of small steps around your lead foot and take 9 return heel-to-toe steps.
Yes, sir.
Okay? It's going to look like this. So once you're standing with your left foot, your right foot forward.
All right.
Okay? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take a series of small steps around my lead foot. 1, 2, 3.
Got it.
You notice I took 3. You're going to take 9.
9.
Okay?
Got it.
Go ahead and step back in that position for me. Few more important instructions real fast, okay?
All right.
During this test, I need you to look at your feet, count your steps out loud, do not stop until you've completed the test, and keep your arms to your side.
Okay.
Look at your feet.
Looking at it.
Count your steps out loud.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any questions about the test before you begin?
No, sir. 9.
Okay. 9 heel-to-toe steps.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn around. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Are you all done with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Said 9, 9, right?
All right. I've got one more test for you, okay?
All right.
So this one is going to start just like the first one with your arms to your side and your feet together, heel to heel, toe to toe.
Okay.
Put your feet together for me. Okay, so for this test, what I'm going to ask you to do is with the leg of your choice, I'm going to ask you to elevate it approximately 6 inches off the ground, so about the height of a pop can.
Okay.
Okay? I'm going to ask you to elevate that foot, and I want you to look at it, and I want you to count in the manner 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and so on until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Okay? During this test, you need to keep your arms to your side, keep your legs straight, look at your elevated foot, and do not put your foot down until it's completed. If you do, for whatever reason, put your foot down, just go ahead and pick it back up and start from where you left off.
All right, what am I counting to?
You're going to count until I tell you to stop.
Oh, counting till you tell me to stop.
Oh, yes, sir. So before we get started here, which leg are you going to elevate?
Probably my left.
Your left foot?
Yeah, because my right knee is up.
Okay. What's it messed up from?
Baseball.
Baseball.
Playing professional baseball.
Okay. Do you work right now?
Do I work? No. My son plays football for the Kansas City Chiefs.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's awesome. Congratulations.
Yeah, well, I'm supposed to go to Super Bowl on Thursday, but...
Okay. Go ahead and keep your feet together for me, arms to your side. Are you ready to begin?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and start.
So I'm going to probably put my left foot up. Okay, so I'm going to put my left foot up and count to when you tell me to stop.
You're going to count in the manner 1001, 1002, 1003, and
Keep
so
my
on
left.
until I tell you to stop. Just like this.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010.
A little bit longer.
1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016.
All right, stop. Okay, sir. What I'm going to ask you to do is go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. You are being placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated.
What did I get pulled over for? Can I ask you
The
that?
registration being out of date.
Oh, okay.
All right, sir, let's walk back over to my car real fast. Do you have anything on you that's going to hurt me, stick me, or poke me?
sir.
All right, we're going to walk right in front of it. All right, I got to do a quick pat search real fast.
Nothing to that.
I understand. Just go ahead and separate your feet for me. I have to do this with everybody for my safety.
Are y'all serious right now?
I'm serious.
With this? So I get arrested for registration.
No, you're being placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated.
I'm not
The
intoxicated.
the registration was the reason that I stopped you
Well, how did
Switch.
you get the registration?
by running your license plate
Why would you run my license plate?
because that's part of my job.
Oh, really? Okay. That's my key to my car.
I understand that.
Have someone that you like to come get your vehicle for you so they can
Well, I'd have to call my wife, but I mean, really? Let's go to wife.
It's being towed the other way.
What are we doing?
Okay.
All right, sir, watch your head, okay? You are a tall guy. I don't want you to
Fine,
hit
bro.
your head.
I'm fine. I'm not even drunk. That's
Okay.
fine.
All right.
I'm fine. Look, you bake whatever you're trying to prove here.
I don't know. We just guess it's a high profile thing. I let a supervisor know.
This is like the worst thing.
Okay, sir. So here's the deal. I did contact my supervisor. I let her know the situation. Unfortunately, there's nothing that I can do about that, okay?
Dude, this is the worst thing that can happen.
And I hear you.
right
Look, here's my thing. I'm not looking to blow this into any bigger deal than it is.
Yeah, I
But
know
unfortunately, like you said, I have a job I have to do,
Yes.
and I can't change that just based off of who you are or
I
who your
don't
son
care
is.
about that. I don't even care
Okay.
about that. I could get somebody to come get me.
Okay.
Dude, I've had some drinks.
I understand that, but we're past that point, and this is where we are. I gotta read this to you, and it's gonna be right here in front of you to follow along if you so choose. Okay? I have to read this to you word for word, so bear with me. If you can just hold your questions till the end. Okay, you are under arrest for the offense of arising out of the acts alleged to have been committed while you were operating a motor vehicle in a public place or a watercraft while intoxicated, or an offense under Section 106.041 Alcoholic Beverage Code. You will be asked to give a specimen of your breath and or blood. The specimen will be analyzed to determine the alcohol concentration or the presence of a controlled substance, drug, dangerous drug, or other
my wife.
or other substance in your body. If you refuse to give the specimen, that refusal may be admissible in a subsequent prosecution. Your license, permit, or privilege to operate a motor vehicle will be suspended or denied for not less than 180 days, whether or not you are subsequently prosecuted for this offense.
You good, bro. You ain't got to read.
I have to.
No, but you're good.
If you refuse to submit to the taking of a specimen, the officer will apply for a warrant authorizing a specimen to be taken from you. If you are 21 years of age or older and submit to the taking of a specimen and an analysis of the specimen shows that you have an alcohol concentration of 0.08 or more, your license, permit, or privilege to operate a motor vehicle will be suspended
I can't believe this.
or denied for not less than 90 days, whether or not you are subsequently prosecuted for the offense.
Got it, brother. You good. You ain't
If
got
you
to
are
read
younger
it.
than
You don't
the
have
age,
to read
if you are
it.
younger
You're
than
good.
21 years of age and have any detectable amount of alcohol in your system, your license, permit, or privilege to operate a motor vehicle will be suspended or denied for not less than 60 days. However, if you submit to the taking of a specimen and the analysis of
Can
your
I call
specimen
my
shows that you have an alcohol concentration of less than 0.08%, you may be subject to criminal penalties less severe than those provided for under Chapter
call my
49
wife?
Penal Code. I told you I got to finish reading this to you
I
first.
got that.
Okay.
You good.
But
I agreed to all
by
of it.
law, I have to read it to you.
Okay, I agreed to all of it.
If you-
Act like you're ready. That's
If you
fine.
submit to the taking of a blood specimen, the specimen will be retained and preserved in accordance with Article 38.50 Code of Criminal Procedure. If you were operating a motor vehicle and give the specimen or provide a specimen that shows you have an alcohol concentration of 0.08 or more, you will be disqualified from driving a commercial motor vehicle for a period of not less than 1 year. You may request a hearing on the suspension or denial. This request must be received by the Texas Department of Public Safety at its headquarters in Austin, Texas,
Can you loosen these things up a
no
little
later
bit?
than 15 days after you receive or are presumed to have received notice of the suspension or denial. The request can be made by written demand, fax, or other manner prescribed by the department. I certify that I have informed you both orally and in writing of the consequences of refusing to submit to the taking of a specimen or providing a specimen. I certify that I have requested your signature below, acknowledging the voluntary consent to the taking of a specimen. I certify I have provided you with a complete and true copy of the statutory warning. Now I'm requesting a specimen of your breath. Will you provide a specimen of your breath?
No.
Okay, will you provide a specimen of your blood?
Yeah.
Yeah? You provide a blood specimen?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sir. And you said that your handcuffs are too tight?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Dude, this is...
I'll see if I can fix that for you here in just one
Do
second.
you know how this is going to be? Do you understand? Are you from here?
I'm not originally from here, no.
Okay.
So it's my duty to warn you.
don't know my
I got to read this to you. Let me finish my
Dude,
stuff.
I'm not worried about that. You good.
Okay,
You're
but
good.
I have to
You
by
got a job
law.
to do.
You're
I
right.
understand.
That's why I'm doing it.
Okay, but I'm
It is
just
my
saying.
duty to
Do
warn
you
you
know
before statement, you have the right to remain absolutely silent. Anything you do or say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to consult an attorney before making any statement. If you are without funds, you have the right to a court-appointed attorney at public expense. You have the right to have your attorney present when and if you make any statement. You have the right to interrupt our conversation at any time, and anything you do must be freely and voluntarily said. Do you understand your rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about your rights?
No, sir.
Okay. 254. Can you mark Miranda and DIC 24?
I found I grabbed your phone. I
call my wife.
I grabbed the other wallet, so I want her to come get it. You made the decision. So I grabbed the wallet and on the phone there.
Registration of it, my son gifted me a card and then registered it and they're sending me the back. Thank you. No reckless driving, nothing.
You mind helping me while I loosen his cuffs real fast?
Yeah. You want me to go ahead and loosen them?
If you don't mind, that'd be fantastic. Is it the iPhone that you want to use to contact your wife?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Let me get that other one for you. Let me double lock them so they don't tighten up on you real quick. There we go. Alright.
Okay, sir. Here's your phone right here.
Yeah.
You want me to hold it up to your face? Does it
No,
does it have the face ID?
Why are they towing my car? Why can't she come get it?
So, there's two different reasons. I'll explain after you talk.
Hey.
Put this back into your... Do you want this on or do you want it off so that you have battery once... Because it'll go to the...
It doesn't matter.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Watch your fingers. Okay, this I don't have to keep though, right? I can just dump it.
You're not charging. I mean, regardless. I mean, if you're charging with open container and all that kind of stuff, you kind of probably should.
It was on video.
Yeah.
I probably won't. I was going to initially with just that.
Anything else for me?
Do you have a blood tube?
No, but I can go get one and meet you up there.
That'd be fantastic.
Yes,
thank you. What's that?
Y'all got a good gig going on. I will admit that.
I'm not trying to
No, dude,
have a
y'all
gig
got
or
a
anything.
gig. We talking about you ran my plates. Why would you run my plates out of anybody?
Because I run plates all day long as I go down the road.
Okay. And did I swerve or do anything?
No, you did drive very slow, but... Alright, sir, give me just a second, okay?
I'm just trying to figure out. Because I've driven drunk several times before, but I wasn't drunk tonight.
Incoming message.
And then...
254.
Okay.
I'll be 95 to county with 1 mile.
I'll let you do what you gotta do, but, dude, this is crazy. My son getting ready to play Super Bowl.
Yes, sir.
And I'm doing interviews 5, 6 a day. And then now this will be on the news, which is going to him, and it's probably him up. He probably won't win the Super Bowl, but that's fine. That's what y'all want to do.
Well, I'm not telling anybody, so all I do is type up the report.
But it's going to be on the news as soon as I get it there.
I just want to confirm with you. You are okay with giving a blood specimen? You don't want to give a breath specimen?
No.
Okay, so you want just the blood
Because
specimen.
if I do the breath thing, it's going to go with the drinks that I've had.
Okay.
Like you said, you followed me, I wasn't swerving and nothing, and all of a sudden the lights come on. I'm like, really? What?
Sir, there's several different things that we look for that show signs of impairment,
Okay.
and there were several different things that I observed during those tests.
Which was?
I'm not going to discuss that with you. It'll be in my report.
I'm not worried about your report, sir. I don't care. I'm just asking you personally, what did I fail on?
Mm-hmm.
Because I know I followed the pen perfect. I told you that I had a bad knee for the heel toe. You hear me talking sometimes. My mind gets hurt now.
Well, I hope that they do well. I hope that they do well at the Super Bowl.
He's going to do fine. I'm just saying we're going to have a scandal for no reason. Because my registration that when he gets me the car hasn't got in yet, which will probably be in the next day or two. He's going to get exactly what we're doing here. I told you straight up, yes sir, I've had it. Hell, if I thought I was drunk or something, I was beer in the backseat or something.
One male. $254 out of county, 1 male.
Whatever. $251, $252, what's your 20?
So we're going to go right over to that door right there, okay? You're good.
So we're going to drive the
ahead and take a seat right there on that bench.